The market doesn't care about your opinion. When you fight the market, you lose. It's like swimming against a raging current. You'll burn energy, get exhausted, and never reach your destination. But if you surrender to the current and let it guide you, you'll move forward with ease. Momentum is truth. Strong price action backed by volume reveals real demand. Think of it like an escalator that's already moving upwards. If you step on, you'll naturally rise. Waiting for it to stop at the bottom is pointless. Similarly, chasing bottoms in stocks is a costly habit. Hope is not a strategy. Confirmation is. Before entering, wait for price action to confirm your direction, like waiting for the traffic light to turn green before crossing the street. Guessing and rushing gets you run over. Don't bet big up front. Start small, then add only if the trade proves itself. Imagine walking into the sea. You first test the shallow water before swimming deeper. What you don't do is dive head first without knowing the tide. And you never ever average down into trouble. Check out my video called Jesse Livermore's Inverted Pyramid Position Sizing, Scale into Winners, Not Losers. Many traders obsess about entries, but exits decide your survival. Think of it as leaving a party. It's better to exit while it's still fun than to wait until the room is empty, the food is gone, and it turns unpleasant. Markets are emotional, but you can't be. A disciplined trader is like a trained archer, steady, focused, waiting patiently for the perfect moment to release the arrow. Without this mastery of self, even the best system fails. Warren Buffett, Jesse Livermore, and Jim Rogers says greatest profits came from doing nothing. Like a farmer, you must plant your seeds and wait for crops to ripen. Pulling them too early destroys the harvest. Good trades need time to mature. Losses are tuition in the school of markets. The only failure is refusing to learn. Think of it like a student practicing math. Mistakes, if corrected, make you stronger. Ignored, they doom you to repeat them. Great traders thrived on structure, not guesswork. It's like a craftsman using blueprints. Each repeat follows a process, ensuring precision. Your trading must be rule-based, systematic, and consistent. That's how you survive. Let's talk about the strengths of these timeless trading principles. First, they offer solid protection against big losses, something every trader needs. Discipline is at the core here, and I won't sugarcoat it. Mastering discipline is the hardest part of trading. These rules also focus on what really matters, knowing when to exit, managing your position size wisely, and having the patience to wait for the right moves instead of guessing and hoping. Now, it's not all easy. Sticking to these principles day in and day out takes real emotional control, and that's something you build over time. Some of the ideas might sound simple or obvious, but putting them into practice consistently, that's the true challenge. And while these lessons don't dive into the world of algorithmic trading, they lay down a strong foundation that every trader can build on. So keep that in mind as you develop your trading skills, foundation first, then complexity later. Here is your step-by-step guide forward. 1. Accept market reality. React, don't predict. 2. Trade momentum. Buy strength, sell weakness. 3. Demand confirmation before entering. 4. Manage position size. Small first, add to winners. 5. Cut losses fast, no mercy. 6. Control emotions with rules, not feelings. 7. Be patient, let winners grow. 8. Study every loss, journal them. 9. Build a repeatable system. Consistency beats luck. Mnemonics to remember. Camp's rule stands for C. Confirmation. A. Accept market. M. Momentum. P. Position size. S. Stops. R. Rules. U. Understand losses. L. Learn. E. Emotions. Remember, markets will test your patience, your emotions, your discipline, but the step-by-step guide gives you the shield to endure that test. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop in the comments. Which principle will you apply in your next trade?